Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel IPMET Preparation by CrackU, and in today's video we will be filling the Christ University Integrated MBA form. So without any further delay, let's get started. Firstly, you just Google Christ Integrated MBA and you will see this link, right? Tap here and you will be redirected to this page. This page is mentioning about the Integrated Master of Business Administration overview and details. So if you scroll further, you can read about the program, what this program actually offers, why to even choose this course, and this course is pretty interesting one. Also what you will learn, and the important thing, career prospects, right? So basically in career prospects, you can be a financial analyst, investment banker, business analyst, and product analyst. We can see the tech is mixed with management side, which is a very futuristic thing. Also digital marketing manager, brand manager, you can have a look. So this was about the career prospects. Now if we want to fill, we will just tap here apply. Okay, when you will tap apply, you will see there are 4 steps: registration and login, fill application form, pay application fee, and the application will be completed. So firstly, we don't have login credentials since we have not registered. We will start registering a fresh form here. So we will tap register here. Okay, so name of the candidate as per the school record, email, mobile number, date of birth, and password. Okay, we have to select the password here, right? They are not sending us the password as per some other forms as we saw in IPM Rohtak. Okay, so I'll fill up all the details and will update. Okay, so I have filled up all the details. Now it's time to verify. So firstly, I will tap here verify my email. So they will send me an OTP and I'll check. After checking the OTP, I entered and now I'll validate, and email is verified now. Okay, coming to the phone number, I'll verify my phone number. And yes, my phone number and my email is validated, and here you select I yes. Okay, I wish to get notified on WhatsApp, because they may be sending some important information. So let's say you miss on email and SMS, you will get the information on WhatsApp. So tap yes here. Okay, now WhatsApp number is same. Coming ahead, if it is different, you can tap a different number here, but if it's same, let it be. Now press register. Now I am registered, and okay, now since my ID is registered, I will again log in to fill up the form further. As you can see, I have filled up the details and logged into the form. Okay, so then this page will open up. As you can see, there are multiple programs, right? There are multiple programs. It will be selected in application for all from initially. Also, you can see if you drop down, you will see there are multiple programs. Let's say you want to apply for just undergraduate program. So the main process is same. From here only you need to select. Okay, let it be all. We want to select the integrated program. So we need to type here integrated. As we search for the integrated, we will see the Integrated Master of Business Administration. This program is visible. So, and it is open from 3rd December 2025, and the last date for this program is 30 March 2026. Now, let's see, Integrated Master of Business Administration, BBA MBA Integrated. So, we will tap on this link and make sure you apply in the correct row. Okay, they are asking also pass at the this. They are giving the basic requirements. We'll tap confirm. Now, since we see here are the further details. Program selection is done, terms and condition is done. Now it comes for personal detail. Our preference is program preference 1 is this, preferred location campus. You can fill accordingly. Okay, now program preference 2. What is the second program you want to apply? According to your needs, fill up the programs. I am just doing normally. So as you can see, I have filled up the program preferences and preferred location and campuses. Also, there was option to upload profile photo here only. So I have uploaded it. Now I will tap save and proceed. So moving on. Okay, statement of understanding. I have read, understood everything, right? They want us to be basically terms and conditions. We'll check. Okay, I have valid credit debit card. Basically, mode of payment is valid. Second, original scanned copies I will upload. Selected this. I have read and agreed to the above guidelines. Basically, I agree. So after this, I will again tap save and proceed. So you can see in this section of personal details, we are adding more details. So those are about nationality, are you overseas sponsor or not. Let's say if I say yes, they will ask me about who is sponsoring me and all. If no, then I'll tap no here. Gender, blood group, mother tongue, religion and category, right? Differently abled may, if you are yes and no accordingly. Now moving ahead, Aadhaar number is optional here. That's a unique thing which I saw the first time. Okay, you have Aadhaar card, yes or no, mark accordingly. And country of birth and state of birth you can select here. If it is not by any chance available here, they are asked, you may need to type it. Okay, yeah, no, state is present here. Okay, place of birth, let's say for state of birth we selected this, and for place of birth there is no drop down menu, you can write any place, right? Okay, so after filling up the place of birth also, how do you know about this Christ University institution, advertisement and sports achievement. In sports achievement, make sure if you are selecting any sport achievement, right, and let's say the level are like international, country or like any big level you are selecting, make sure to support it with a document. Although the document is optional here, but if it is a state level, if it's a national level, you definitely have certificates, right? And if you don't have, that becomes a shady thing, like you are on a national level and you don't have any certificate. So make sure you support it with certificates. Coming to extracurricular activity, in this there are so many things. Let's say book study, cartooning, chess team, right? Whatever you have here, here also you have the option for documents to support it. But since there are no very specified levels of a state, regional, national, international, document is not that mandatory. Yeah, uploading a supporting document is always good, but even if you don't have, you can write it here. So now there are two cases. You can save as draft and proceed further after some time, or you can directly fill this form in one go by tapping save and proceed. Okay, next thing they will ask is current address, country, pin code, city, district, state, right? And here will be the address preview. Whatever details we will fill here will reflect here. Is this address permanent address, same as correspondence address, right? Same as current address. We can tap here, we can unselect it and fill the another detail. Now parent information, here we have to fill details of our parents. Annual income also they are asking, income currency also they are asking, this is also unique. And also the guardian information is present, if needed you have to fill it. Okay, so as you can see, we have filled up the details which were mandatory here about current addresses, address preview, basically parent information and family income and all that. After that, we will press save and proceed. Moving ahead, they are now asking about a 10th board details. So 10th board, basically which board you were from, year of passing, month of passing is also they are asking. Basically this will be mentioned on your mark sheet, right? If you see your mark sheet, there will be year and month also specifically mentioned. Use that from there. Okay, country of institution and state of institution. Okay, documents, basically 10th mark sheet, obtained marks, total marks and aggregate percentage. Okay, so here they are directly asking about your marks. So it may be the case you are awarded your marks in grade form, but to convert from grade to percentage, there is a formula which is specific to every specific board. So make sure you enter that formula only and not any random Google formula, right? So after filling up those details, name and address of the institution, basically your 10th standard school. Coming to 11th and 12th details, same thing, document upload, obtained marks, total marks, aggregate percentage and current pending backlogs. If you have backlogs, you have to mention here if they are pending as of now when you are filling this form. If not, then leave it as it is, name of your school and save and proceed. So as you can see, we have filled up these details and now pressing save and next. Okay, They will show you the final things, basically your name, gender, date of birth, email ID and phone number, and your preferences, personal data. Basically your form preview is there. Now if you see and check if everything is correct, right, then only press confirm, because these forms are generally very costly. Check everything twice, okay, and if you are in rush, do not submit it right now. Log out and after some time again recheck with cool and calm mind, and then press I confirm. If you press I confirm, they are again saying you, please take a moment to review your application details. No further modifications will be allowed after confirmation. Okay, I'll tap confirm, and please choose your date and venue for entrance test. Okay, 6 April. Okay, for this is the entrance test detail, and the platform will be online platform. Only one venue is available. Okay, after that it will ask for preference for skill assessment, micro presentation and personal interview. You can tap. There are like places for offline interviews, I think. Yeah, so let's say you select Sikandrabad, Telangana, and you are there, and then they are asking you about the interview dates. So select accordingly. Okay, these dates are not available in this venue, so 12th April is only available. After selecting this, okay, so this is done, and you select this 12th April. After you tap it, it will show available, and they will ask you again, I accept, right? The date is opted is binding on me, and that the Christ, basically you will be present on this detail, right? No further changes allowed. You will tap this here and proceed to payment. Now how much we have to pay? Okay, we have to pay around 1800 rupees. Now I'll accept the online payment, and you will tap pay now here. So this kind of payment gateway will open up, in which you have all the options, basically UPI QR, UPI, phone pay and all, debit card, credit card, net banking. Multiple options are available. Select accordingly and your form will be submitted. Okay, so that was about the form filling video of Integrated MBA and BBA program of Christ University. And if you are preparing for IPMET, do check out our 10 plus free mocks for IPMET Indore and Rohtak combined. And if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment box and subscribe us for more content like this.